Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do the Ikea Baggebo bookcase. So first thing you want to do is get the two sides and make sure they're lined up correctly. So you want to basically put it like this with the two small holes, this one on the left and this one on the right. And that's going to be for your mounting bracket later if you want to do that. Then find your bag of bolts. Basically, you want to find these feet. There's four of them. And what we're going to do first is we're going to put these into the bottom of the boards. Would have been nice if IKEA actually had like pre-drilled holes for these, but they don't. So basically, you just put it wherever you want. You got to kind of just line it up as best you can, eyeball it. We go ahead and do that for all four of them, two on each shelf side here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get the shelving. So make sure the particle board side is down, like facing you, and this line is down. So that's going to be the bottom of the shelving is what you want to, is what your goal is. So you want to put those flat on the ground, find your pegs. You don't want 10 of them, so two for each shelf. And go ahead and knock those in with your hammer. Once we've done that, yeah, so again, do it for all five boards, all five shelves. Then we're going to take this side and we're going to line those up with all the corresponding holes. So lift up that side there and go ahead and put in all five shelving boards. And of course, we're going to want the particle board facing up now. So last one, get those lined up. And then what you're going to want to do is get these long screws. I'm going to put one in each shelving. So put those in. There is a tool that comes with it, but if you have a drill, it's a lot easier and faster. So do that for all five. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So 10 pegs, two for each board. Get all those in. And then go ahead and put up your side here, the other side, line all those up. So do it one at a time. Obviously, that's the easiest way. Don't try to do them all at once. And then get your long screws and put those through the middle of the shelves on this side. So same thing, five. Their drill makes it much easier. Screw those in. And then we're going to work on the backing. So put the backing on, cardboard side facing up. Make sure those two holes are on the top side because that's for your mounting brackets. And then I just lined it up with the top of the shelf. So make sure it's lined up and it's all straight. And then IKEA gives you this little plastic kind of like a leveling tool. So it like you can put the little finishing nails in like right in the middle. But I found this thing you don't really need. Just eyeball it because you can see the particle board. So go ahead and if you want to use it, you can put it on all four sides. And then basically you want to do a whole bunch of them. So here's where the instructions tell you. There was too many of them and you don't really need that many. So what I did is I just did one on each shelf where the screw is, one in between, and then again, one on each shelf. So there's plenty enough on there. Make sure you put one on the top, two on the top as well. So it just keeps it in place. And then for the middle, you can just basically use those screws to line it up and just put one in each in the middle of the middle shelving. The instructions say to use like a ruler and pencil, but you really don't need to do that. Just eyeball it again with those screws. And that's basically it. Now you've done it. So hope that tutorial is helpful. If you have any comments, let me know below. And thanks for watching.